Hello friends, in this video I will show you a new technique that I decided to try when making my multi-layer lake maps. I found that painting the edges of the layers is a time-consuming process that never covers in one coat. I personally do it 3 times. I tried spray paint, but the results were also not very good. I saw online maps that are not painted on the edges. The dark part of the cut remains visible. In fact, I found that they also look quite good. Of course, this is a matter of taste, but I decided to try it as well.